SONAX CutMax is a highly abrasive cutting compound for polishing sanded or severely weathered paint surfaces. This odorless, silicone-free compound has a long buffing cycle, resists dusting, and wipes off easily. SONAX CutMax cutting compound is strong enough to remove P1000 grit sanding marks on fresh paint, yet advanced enough to finish with a gloss level of 3 out of a scale of 1 to 6. SONAX CutMax cutting compound can be applied with a rotary or dual action polisher. Depending upon the level of cut you desire, use with a foam or wool pad. Regardless of the pad you choose, SONAX CutMax will impress you with its long buffing cycle and easy wipe-off. After you remove all the sanding marks or imperfections in the paint, follow with SONAX Perfect Finish or EX0406 to create a mirror finish. To use, wash and dry the vehicle, prime the polishing pad with product, apply 3 to 4 dime-sized drops of SONAX CutMax, begin at a slow speed, and use in a 3x3 crosshatch motion. As the diminishing abrasives break down, increase the speed and continue with the crosshatch motion. Wipe away any water residue. SONAX CutMax. Body shop safe. Water-based, silicone-free, safe for all paint. SONAX has been an innovator since 1950 and is synonymous with the highest standards in the car care industry. SONAX is the #1 brand in Germany and the leading brand in Europe. Innovation, cutting-edge technology, and superior product performance. For more information, visit sonaxusa.com.